Hey reviewers, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you've been well. Today I've got a pretty awesome package, and I'm going to make this a quick one, nothing like the unboxing before, because I want to show you this brand new screen that I've got for the Z H2, and then we're going to get fitting it. I love my professional unboxings. We've got more of these to come, don't you just love them? Ooh, there we are. Nice. So you can see that. This is the new screen for the Z H2. Now it's not going to give us loads more, but it's going to give a tiny bit more wind protection, and I think styling is going to look pretty cool. So that's it for the unboxing. Let's jump to the fitting. Right then gang, so I'm just going to show you this then. It's the easiest screen to do in the world. It's literally Allen key bolts, and you actually fit it directly to this. So I'm going to save you the boredom of it. I'm literally going to take these out, and I'm going to cut back to it in a second, and the new screen will be on there. Right then gang, here she is, all fit and ready. I'm going to take her out of here and then we'll see what she's like on the road. Woohoo! There she is guys, on and looking fine. I don't mind saying so myself. Woo baby! So it was basically the easiest installation of all time. There is the original screen still under there, it's meant to be there. And if you look in there, they provide you with 4 rubber grommets and then just new bolts with Allen key, which go on the top there. So you literally take out the original bolts, slap in the grommets, tighten them down, boom shakalak. Whether it's going to do much in the way of wind protection, I don't know. I didn't really buy it for that. I just thought it looked awesome. So, yeah. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Right. There's all of that coming in, but I'm going to go out for a little ride, just a short one today, and then just see what it's about. Ooh, baby. Right, let's get the fudge out of Rog. So yeah, I don't actually know if it's going to do more wind protection or whether it's going to fire it basically at my head. I don't know. Not sure what it's going to do. But it looks cool. Just tuck in a bit. Oh yeah. Yeah, it works. It does work. Just basically get into this position. That's it. Da 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 da. Yeah, awesome. Well, mission accomplished then really. It was only a short one. I just wanted to whack this on, show you how easy it is. And it has actually now given me that tiny bit of wind protection that I needed, just so if I wanted to just tuck in, it works. Even for a big lump like me. And remember, I'm 6'4", 21 stone, so even though that's only a tiny screen, it does the job. It does the job. Beautiful. There we are, tucked in. versus not topped. Happy days. Yeah, awesome. Mission accomplished. I like it. I think it looks sexy. I think it's the first of many mods for the bike. Yeah. Awesome. Easy to fit as well. Absolute blinder. Right then gang, that's it for this one. I'm going to go and put some miles on it before it tips it down. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, because that really helps. We've got a ton of stuff coming up, loads of bike reviews, loads of new mods. If you haven't subscribed, it's free to do so hit that button. And as always, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you on the next one.